How to register on DailyGist. On DailyGist platform. Okay, I want to do my registration. Let's say I want to pay online. Pay stack is usually advisable. Okay, Flutterwave is for international payments. Flutterwave is for those that want to pay in dollars. It's for international payment, but Paystack is majorly for Nigeria. Okay, online payment. Assuming you want to pay online, it will come with additional charges. But if you are paying through bank transfer, it doesn't come with any charges. That one you are paying straight to the company's account, and you are paying the exact amount. But if you are paying online, through Paystack, your account is activated automatically. It comes with additional charges to Paystack, not to DailyGist Telecoms International Limited, but to Paystack. So let us choose Paystack. We simply choose Paystack. Okay, it's processing. Then if you want to pay with your card, you simply enter and put all your card details. You can see the additional payments you are paying is 5,000. There's an additional charge of 1,777.67 kobo. Okay, that is going to Paystack, not to DailyGist. So you simply put your card details and all of that, and once it is successful, your account is activated automatically. Okay, but assuming you want to pay through bank transfer, okay, you want to pay through bank transfer, you pay with transfer, you simply click here. Okay, now on this page, you are already seeing how much you are going to pay, 5,177. Now on this page, the account name is Paystack Titan. The account number, this is the account number. Are you seeing this account number? Then you scroll down here. Are you seeing this toolbox, this little toolbox? Copy it. Click on it, it's copied. You must copy this box. If not, after doing the transaction, your account will not be activated automatically. Then you have to start contacting the admin to help activate your account manually after confirming that payment. Okay, but if you click on this copy, okay, then you now go to your mobile phone and you do your transfer. So once the transfer is done, then you now come here and say, I have sent the money. Do you understand it? You click here and say, I have sent the money. Do you understand it? So this one now is searching to see if truly the money was received. This one is saying sent, while this one is saying received. So okay. So of course I didn't send any money, so it's not going to be successful. My account is not going to be created. Do you understand it? So once you have sent the money and Paystack Titan have already seen the money, then your account will be activated. It is automatic. It will be activated automatically. Okay. The reason why this one is not activated is simply because I have not sent any money. Do you understand it? So that is majorly how to activate your account. And this is where it will be. Until they see the money, they will not activate your account. You will just be there rolling and rolling. Then at the end of the day, after about 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, they will tell you, sorry, no money received. And even if you have sent it before, it will be reversed back to where it is. Do you understand it? But because no money was received, that is why it's taking this long. Okay, so that's majorly how to make your payment. So thank you very much. This one is taking that. It will be there because they didn't see any money, so it will never be activated until you now go and make the payment. So I am canceling the payment. I have come back. Okay. So now let's say I want to pay directly through bank transfer. This is bank transfer. I simply click on bank transfer. That's I'm paying straight to the company's account. Are you seeing the company's account? The Naira bank account, Zenith Bank, DailyGist Telecom International Limited. This is the account number. I will do transfer to this number. Exactly the amount I'm paying, 5,000. I transfer the exact amount. Okay. Then I will now come here and click on upload, choose file. I click on that choose file. Okay. I have to choose the file. Okay. Choose the file of payment. I've actually made the transaction. This is my transaction. Okay, so that's the teller. I've already uploaded it. Then I'll now come. I've chosen the file. Then I'll now come here and click upload proof of payment. Do you see it? is saying thank you for the payment. So you can see this is how to do registration, to register yourself on DailyGist Telecom. This is how to register yourself. Okay, so once admin approves it, by the time you log out and you log in again, let's say about 10 minutes, your account is activated. Maximum of 10 minutes. But if you want it instant, just notify admin. Just scroll down. You will see this is the phone number for the customer care line. Okay, this is the customer care line. So you simply scroll down and notify that number through WhatsApp, via WhatsApp. Send the teller to your username and the teller and say, oh, please, I've already made payment. Approve my account. Okay, and your account will be approved automatically, instantly. Okay, so welcome on board. That is how to register yourself on DailyGist. Thank you.